Let us now look at this code. So wherein I have declared an array which is of 5 elements. I want to look at the address of the array, value of the array, and then address of the first element of the array. Okay, so if I compile this and run this code, so all the three are same. If you look at, all the three are same. So it's not differentiating between and of a etc. That is because it is a constant pointer. So what is the meaning of a constant pointer? First of all, let us see. Suppose if I have int k equal to 10 and I now say for a constant pointer I use this syntax. For the pointer to a constant we had const int star. For pointer constant we'll say int star const, say aptr. I'll give the address of k, for example. Okay, now instead of a, or let the a remain as it is, let me have the value of k aptr as well. So my address of say aptr will be address of aptr. My value of aptr is nothing but, again it's an address, but this time it will be the address of k, and my dereferenced value of aptr, my dereferenced value will be percentage d, which is nothing but the value of k. So for that I do the star k aptr. Okay, so let us see how this actually works now. So did we get this? So now just put a separator there. Now, suppose if you look at, there is this difference, right? Now my address of a is same, my value of a is same, my address of first element of a is same. Now in case of a constant pointer like aptr, my address is some address, my value is nothing but it should be the address of k. That is because the I have assigned k here. So but does it make any difference with respect to what is called difference between a constant pointer or a pointer? So if I had made this as a constant pointer, I couldn't have changed the value of k. So let me see if I can change the value of k through aptr. Now I said star aptr equal to 999. So if I do that, my initial value of k was 10. Okay, so it has become 999. It was initially k, now it has become, which means my aptr is being allowed to change the value of a. Okay, now suppose if I do not have this as a constant pointer, correct, and I will have the address of and of k, correct. Now if I save this, it's again same. So I should know the difference between what is an ordinary pointer and a constant pointer. For that, what we will do, first let me take this apt, instead of aptr pointing to k, we will point the aptr to and of a. Okay, now when I do that, so when I do that, if I do the GCC, means there is some problem. Now we have to be careful with warnings of the pointers, because we saw that when we are doing the pointer to a constant. But let us see. I mean, we will ignore the warning as we ignored in the beginning and see what happens. So now have star aptr equal to and of a. Now what I will do is I will say star aptr is equal to 999, and then I will print the value of, again I will print, let me take this as the value of a of 0. So this is my percentage d initially. So this I will take after modification. So this will be my value of a of 0. Okay. Now if you see this, let that warning be there. My a of 0, okay, let me make the display statement proper. So this is my a of 0, not and a of 0. Okay, so now if you see, my address of APTR is fine. My value of APTR is address of and of a, which I was sent, which is nothing but a, which is nothing but address of a of 0. So that's why I am able to change the value of a of 0 indirectly using APTR, because now I have changed this to this. Now what I will do is I will just do the APTR equal to APTR plus 1. Okay. Now when I do that APTR equal to APTR plus 1, now initially it was pointing to a of 0. Now let us see what will happen. Okay, and once I change, and then I will print the value of APTR. Okay, so in this case now, okay, so we are getting an error, that may be because of some semicolon somewhere here. Okay, so okay, now if you look at this, my a of 0 is 1 and 99, but my dereference value, when I say APTR equal to APTR plus 1, it has actually gone to the second element of the array, which is 2. Means I have my, now if I, for example, if I do my APTR equal to, okay, to avoid confusion, let me make this as 11, 12, 13, 14 and say 15. Alright. So just to avoid the coincidence between the index and the value, so I have something called, see, now it is, my dereference a of 0 is 11, but my dereference value is 12. That is because I first refer to the first element of the array, and of a is nothing but a is nothing but a of 0, and then I incremented it by 1. So I am able to access the second element. But now if I increment it by say 3, okay, so it is pointing to 0, right, and if I increment by 3, it should give me the fourth element, which is the 14, the value is 14. So okay, so I am getting the value of 14, which means that I am using now the pointer to traverse through the array, correct? But I still have to take care of that warning. Okay, so that warning, so maybe what that warning is saying is, this is an incompatible assignment. If I want to make it as a compatible assignment, because I have given AND here, instead of AND I will give A. Now when I do that, I should get rid of the warning, because it is a homogeneous assignment. Okay, see, now it is still fine, but I still have a problem. When I gave AND of A, it worked with a warning. When I gave A without warning, it worked. So there is some problem, or there, which this has to be made very clear. Let me keep it as AND A, and I still want to remove the warning. So what I will do there is, I will now make this as AND of A for me is a constant pointer, because array is a constant pointer. So let me call it as AND of A as a constant pointer. So I will just say const. One thing we all have to understand, that the pointer is, the array is a array during compile time and pointer in runtime. This is mantra. Now when I do int star const APTR equal to AND A, let me see if I can get rid of the warning. Okay, so I have done that. See, now our problem is, okay, we have done something called, this warning is, again we are getting int star const aptr equal to and of a. Okay, our warning has not vanished. So let us just take this fellow out and just see what will happen. We got one more error there. To get rid of that warning, what we did was something like this. So we did something like that. The warning is still there, which it says incompatible pointer by assigning star con aptr to and of a. But we have got a new error where it is now saying my aptr itself is read only. Okay, which means the meaning there is, let me go back and remove that warning. Now suppose if I do a, okay, and try and do that, my warning has gone but my error is still there. Okay, so this is not an and a, right? So I have given a star constant. Okay, I have made the pointer as a constant now. When I make a pointer as a constant, I cannot increment the pointer. The pointer will always point to a of 0, or in this case a is nothing but a of 0. So I am not allowed to move at all. That's the meaning of a constant pointer. But am I allowed to change the value of that? Every time now I have first I have star 999. Okay, so am I allowed to change the value where it is referring to? Okay, should be possible. That is because I am only allowed to point to the first location. So this is the meaning of a constant pointer, wherein once if you point to a particular location, you are not allowed to increment the address of the pointer, or you can as well say I will mask or I will disable the pointer arithmetic on constant pointers. The pointer arithmetic doesn't get disabled on the regular pointers or a pointer to a constant, but it gets disabled on the constant pointer. Okay, I hope you understood this video lecture. Rest in the coming lectures. Thank you very much.